Small but mighty, nimble but tough. The ML80 mini loader from Vermeer defies expectations. Compact to maneuver in tight job sites, yet packs the punch to tackle your tough jobs. When power and precision are required, this 25 horsepower class beast thrives. Designed for landscape and rental customers, the ML80 brings the muscle you need in the tightest spaces. With an optional 7-inch narrow track, the ML80 delivers minimal ground disturbance while maximizing performance in tight spaces. With industry-leading components and a cushioned operator platform, you'll stay comfortable and confident from the beginning of the day until the job's done. With a wide range of Vermeer-compatible attachments, this machine adapts to your job site, not the other way around. Whether you're moving dirt, clearing limbs, or shaping hardscapes, you've got the flexibility to take on whatever the day throws your way. With support from your Vermeer dealer and a 3-year engine warranty, the ML80 is ready to get the job done whenever you need it. Small but mighty, the Vermeer ML80 proves it's possible to have both.